Hello, class 12 students. In this video, I am going to discuss this question which I have written on the screen. So you can see this is the question of POS. As the symbol pi we have. Pi means pi. If it is pi, it means this is the case of POS. The question of POS, and if you have sigma, then that is the case of what SOP. Okay. So I'm going to solve this question which I given you in last class. Okay, see this. So I have already made the K map and I filled the values zeros and I made the group. You can see 4 zeros and these 4 zeros. If by map rolling, they will make a quad. They will make a quad. You can see I have made here. And these 4 ones, these 4 zeros, sorry, 1, 3, 5, 7, it will make a quad. There is a possibility of one quad and one octet. Here we have the possibility of octet, so we will not draw the quads. This I have taught many times. If there is a possibility of bigger group, you will not make the smaller groups. Okay. If there is a possibility of quad, or sorry, octet, you will not make the quads. And if there is a possibility of quad, you will not make the pairs. We try to draw the bigger group. ऑक्टेट पहले कोशिश करो, ऑक्टेट नहीं बनता है तब क्वाड बनाओ, अगर क्वाड नहीं बनता है तब पेयर बनाओ. भाई एनीवे कहीं से भी अगर बिगर ग्रुप बनता है तो बिगर ग्रुप बनाना है, स्मॉलर ग्रुप को नहीं बनाना. ओके, दैट इज रॉन्ग अप्रोच. नाउ लिसन, see this. I'm going to solve this. So octet, we have only one octet, so we'll write like this: octet. Octet. Since it is a case of max term, so we write capital M. So octets are M, capital M0 dot capital M1, capital dot, we write capital M3 dot capital M2. Okay, then dot M8 dot M9 dot M10 dot M11. Sequence doesn't matter here. Now if you reduce it, you can see this octet is acquiring 2 rows, only 2 rows, and in these 2 rows the state of A has been changed, so we will not take it, we will take only B. So from this we are getting B, and you can see this octet is acquiring all 4 columns. So if you move through all 4 columns, the state of C and D both will be changed, so both will be removed. So from this octet we are getting only B. Okay, now from the quad, you can see this quad is acquiring M1 dot M3 dot M5 dot M7. Okay, M3, M5, M7, 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, and from this quad, what we'll get? You can see this is acquiring these 2 rows. So in these 2 rows, state of A is not changing, so we'll have A from that, and it is acquiring these 2 columns. You can see these 2 columns. So from that 2 columns, you can see state of D is not changing. It is D dash, D dash. So we'll take here, so A plus D dash, A plus D dash. Okay. So finally reduced expression now. Reduced expression will be what? B dot A plus D dash, or A plus D dash dot B. You can write anything. And if we'll draw the logic gate diagram for this, for A dot B, A plus B dash, we need one OR gate, and B will take directly here, and we'll join both with the AND gate. So this is the complete solution. If any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. Okay. Now second question, see, I'm going to solve here. See, this is another type of question. Listen carefully. Previous question, which I've just solved, in this question or many question of K-map we have already solved. In that here the Boolean expression is given in cardinal form. This is one of the form of Boolean expression to represent. This is the one of the way to represent a Boolean expression, and it is called cardinal form. This is the cardinal form of Boolean expression. Okay, and here in this question, which I am going to solve now, in this question, the expression, the Boolean expression has been given in canonical form. Okay, this is the difference. It is given in canonical form. So I'm going to solve this. See how to solve it. It's very easy. See, in this, these two terms and these two terms are same. First, so you know by the idempotence law, P plus P equal to P. So we'll remove one of them. So first, let me solve like this. Okay, listen now. So these two terms are same. So we have to remove one of them. So like this, for that, equal to, we'll write A. Okay, now everything will be same, only one, these two terms and this will be here, plus A, B, C, D. Okay, so these two were same, so we have removed one of them, and these two are also same, so we have removed A, B, C, D. So finally, the term, this Boolean expression we have, and it is in canonical form. In previous question, it was in cardinal form. Cardinal form means if the Boolean expression is represented in using numbers, then it is called cardinal form, and if it is written in this form, in form of propositions, you can see it is called canonical form. Okay. Now I'm going to solve it. It's very easy. There are two methods, so I will try to tell you both methods here. So first, I'm drawing a K map. So listen, I'm going to fill it. How to fill it? See, A, B, C dash, D dash. So you can see A, B we have here, and C dash, D dash we have here. So this, in this box will fill 1. This is for 12. Now see this part, A dash B and C dash D dash. So here will fill 1. And third, A, B, C dash D. A, B we have in this line, and C dash D we have in this line here. So here will fill 1. And lastly, A, B, C, D means A, B and C, D. So here will fill 1. So by this way, you can fill it easily. It's very easy to solve, very easy to write. Now listen how to. Further, you know very well. So here we can draw. Here we can draw a quad. Just wait a minute. 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. Here 1, here 1, and here 1, 0. So we'll have A dash. Finally, this we have filled a 1, 1, 1 here. And now you can draw the pairs here. There is possibility of pairs. There is no possibility of quads and octets. So we can draw here pair. So one pair is this and one pair is this. Two pairs we have. Okay. So by solving it, pair 1, equal to जो भी है it is case of SOP, so m mean terms small m m4 plus m12, and from the pair what we'll get, see this is acquiring two rows a dash a, so state changed, so a will be removed, b and b, so it will remain there. So from row we are getting b, and see, you can see it is acquiring only one column, so that will be written as it is, so c dash d dash pair 1, like this. Pair 2, pair 2 is what, m13 15, small m13 plus m15, and from that pair we'll get what, you can see one row AB and two columns, this and this. So from the columns you'll get what, D. Okay, so finally the reduced expression is what, reduced expression is equal to B C dash D dash plus A B and D. Okay, if you draw the logic gate diagram for this, you can draw like this. One AND gate for B C D, B C B C dash D dash, and one AND gate for A B D, A B D, and both will be joined with one OR gate. And so here we have F table. So this is one of the way. Here only the difference was that the expression was given in canonical form, and how to fill, it's very easy. I think you got it. Okay, there is another method. Another method is also there to solve such question. That also I will tell you in the next video. Okay, so for this video this much only. So thank you students, for today this much only. Thank you. Watch this video carefully.